Welcome, CBSE Class 10, Subject Information Technology, Code 402. Myself, Sujata VG. Session 1, Methods of Communication. Introduction. Communication is a process which involves sharing of information, opinions, ideas, and beliefs between two or more persons through a continuous activity of speaking, listening, and understanding. Communication is not only important in our day to day life, but it also plays a significant role in one's professional career. People use different forms of communication, such as written and spoken words, body gestures, and various other methods so that the person completely understands the message communicated. Here we use different methods to express, and it also depends on various factors like urgency of the message, availability of time, and the expenditure involved in it. Communication, a two-way process. Communication is not merely the transmission of a message. It also includes communication, a two-way process. Communication is not merely the transmission of a message. It also includes an understanding of the message. In this process, one person is the sender and he conveys a message to another person, or it can be a group of persons who is the receiver. Communication, a two-way process. Communication is not merely the transmission. So, from this we can understand that an effective communication always involves feedback from the receiver. An effective communication is a communication between two or more people where the intended message is successfully delivered, received, and understood. Importance of communication skills. Effective communication is essential in every sphere of life, be it personal, professional, or social. It includes all the aspects of visual, auditory, and body language to appeal to the listener. The following story illustrates the importance of clear and comprehensive communication. The story is a father planned an urgent trip to his son's home in another state. He sent an email to his son. In the mail, he wrote, "Reach tomorrow," instead of "reaching tomorrow" by mistake. When the father reached his son's home, his daughter-in-law was surprised to see him because the son had already left to visit his father. The daughter-in-law showed him the email which stated "reach tomorrow" instead of "reach." So, the three missing letters ING created miscommunication and a big confusion. Instead of receiving the message that the father was arriving the next day, the son got the message that his father was asking him to come the next day. This example illustrates the importance of sending, that is coding a message, and receiving, that is called decoding a message accurately. So miscommunication can cause serious problems, can have far-reaching consequences, resulting in loss of time, money, trust, and may also impact relationships. Impact of effective communication. It encourages active participation in group discussions and cohesive, that is connected teamwork. It helps in building relationships with others. It enables a leader to cultivate a sense of common goal among the team members and drive them to work in a spirited manner. Ability to communicate effectively builds your confidence and equips you to respond and articulate, means speak clearly, aptly in any situation. Effective communication helps in handling various conflicts or misunderstanding in an organization. Effective communication saves time and reduces stress and anxiety levels. It fosters, that means encourages the development of success in professional and personal life. As mentioned earlier, communication is a dynamic two-way process. The essential elements of the As mentioned earlier, communication is a dynamic two-way process. The essential elements of the communication process are message, encoding, receiver, feedback, sender, communication channel, decoding. Message is information to be conveyed. Encoding is the formation of the message. Receiver is one who receives the message. Feedback is the response. Sender is one who Next session, you will learn about verbal communication, non-verbal communication. Next session, you will learn about verbal communication, non-verbal communication, visual communication. We will also learn completely about employability skills, vocational skills, that is web applications, and we'll cover about define communication, mention the importance of communication skills, describe the factors which lead to miscommunication, what are the impacts of effective communication, and to be continued in the next section.